Hey, let's look at our next ChatGPT plugin, which is access affordable on-demand tutoring and education at your fingertips. It's called Tutory plugin. And once you go into here, it says log into your Tutory. If you don't have an account, you can create one. Okay, so enter your password which meets the criteria, and you now have access to your Tutory account, and you just have to verify that 6-digit code. You would be getting this 6-digit code in your email. Just enter it, and once you do that, your account would be verified and you now have access to Tutory plugin. And if I look at that here, so this plugin for ChatGPT helps you find the best tutor available online, and it is perfect for either if you're a student, a lifelong learner, or anyone seeking knowledge enhancement. Matches you with the qualified tutors and facilitates online learning sessions and provides resources to maximize your study time. So if I'm a student, I can ask Tutory plugin schedule a training session in physics, and you see the Tutory plugin got enabled and it's trying to find you. And if you want to confirm it, you can say yes, or if you don't want to confirm it, you can just drop it and you can move on to the next prompt. And similarly, I'm just asking it find a math tutor for my 10-year-old. Or if you are working towards some certification, you can also ask find me a tutor to prepare for AWS Solutions Architect exam. So any of those plugins would work. The idea here is it is mostly to do enhance your skill development, and this is basically what it would do. And I've already executed this prompt. Let me show you. It would basically say it has created the learning path for variety of topic. This includes arithmetic, trading fractions, decimals, and an introduction to geometry, algebra. Is designed for the 3 months, with each session focusing on a different topic. In each session, I'll guide you through a series of questions to help you understand the topic at hand. And the Socratic method of teaching encourages independent thinking and problem solving. Would you like to start the first session now or schedule it later? And while we come back, you can see this API is getting called, and it is basically giving day 1 would be introduction to mechanics, day 2 would be Newton laws of motion, day 3 will be work, energy and power, day 4 will be thermodynamics, and day 5 will be electromagnetism, day 6 will be optics, day 7 will be quantum physics and relativity, particle physics, and review of application concepts. So that's basically what this plugin is for. And if you want to learn, this is a good plugin to use. I just wanted to cover this too, if anyone is interested in using it to improve their skills. Thank you for joining.